Hi all, welcome back to my channel. So in this particular video, we are going to cover one topic that is creating projects. Okay, so in order to access that, we need to click on this Adobe Experience Manager, and we have this project tile. So once we are inside that, so let me change the view first. So there you can see by default there is only two projects, one is very detail and one is master. So I'm creating a new project for me, and it is a simple project. So I'm selecting next, and inside that I'm saying it is Kuldeep project, and I will pick the start days as today date, and due date will be I will say next month. Okay, and inside the users I have like this much of users that are like present. So if I want, I can simply select one user, that is admin, and what is the role of that, that is observer, editor or owner. So it is me, so I'm saying I'm the owner, and I will say add. So this is how we are like adding the users. I will create, open, and you can see now the Kuldeep project has these styles by default. So if you want to add some other tiles, that is like translation job, tasks and assets and landing pages, you can just hit the submit. So all of these tiles will be here. So you can see the project is active, and project info is this. The project active started on a few minutes ago, due date is this. So team, inside the team we have only one member as of now, and we can see like all the details from here only. Okay, so this is the very basic thing. Now if I go to the assets, if I click on these three dots, so here you can see like I don't have any assets. So what can I do? I can upload the file. So let me go to the desktop. So we don't have any image on the desktop, so let me go to the downloads first in order to get one image. So what can I do? So I don't have any image here, so let me upload my image. Okay, so this is the particular image that I have in my system, so I'm using that only. So it is processing, let me reload it. So you can see now the image has been uploaded. So this is the particular assets that we have uploaded recently. If I go back now, if I refresh this page again, so inside the assets I can see there are two assets. Okay, so this is how we can manage all the things. If we want to add the landing pages, we can like as of now no landing pages are there, so workflows, no workflows are there. So we can create those, we can add that things like when we used to do that. So it's totally up to you. When we click add work, so it is the start the workflow. And if we want to add the landing pages, then we can simply start a workflow like that. Okay, so this is how we manage our projects. Now it's I have covered like overview of a project, how you can create your project, how can you add the users and define their roles. So that's all for this video. We will meet in the next video. Until then, bye bye.